The Eurasian coot, also known as the common coot, is a water bird that is found in Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. It is a member of the Rallidae family, which also includes other water birds like rails and moorhens. The Eurasian coot is a medium-sized bird that is about 38 to 45 centimeters in length and has a wingspan of 75 to 85 centimeters. The Eurasian coot is a medium-sized bird with dark black feathers, a white beak, and distinctive lobed feet. Its striking red eyes make it easy to spot even from a distance. Unlike most water birds, the coot does not have webbed feet but instead has large lobes on its toes that help it swim and dive for food. They are capable of diving up to 3 meters deep to forage for food. The bird's plumage is mostly black, but its undertail feathers are white, making it easy to identify when it swims away from you. Eurasian coots are omnivores and feed on a variety of aquatic plants, insects, and small animals. They are usually found in freshwater habitats like lakes, ponds, and marshes. These birds prefer to live in areas with abundant vegetation and food sources such as insects, mollusks, and small fish. Eurasian coots are social birds and often congregate in large flocks. During the breeding season, males will perform elaborate courtship displays to attract a mate. Once paired, the male and female will work together to build a nest. The coot builds a nest made of aquatic vegetation, usually near the water's edge. The female lays between 5 to 10 eggs, which are incubated by both parents. The chicks are born with black downy feathers and are able to swim and feed themselves shortly after hatching. The parents will continue to care for and protect the chicks until they are able to fend for themselves. One interesting behavior of the Eurasian coot is its aggressive territorial defense. They are known to fiercely defend their nesting sites against other coots and even other water birds. They will use their strong feet and wings to attack intruders, and they will also engage in vocal displays to intimidate rivals.